Good morning, students. How all you are? I hope all people are fine and having great time in your home. So, today I will start the question. This list the 5 rational numbers between, or list 10 rational numbers between. You have to find rational numbers between two given numbers. How you will be finding? I hope you have done this in fraction, but the same thing we will be doing here also. So I am just taking an example and then I will let you understand. List 5 rational numbers between. I can take two numbers, say 3/4, and bigger number I can take 5/7. Right? So this is smaller number 5/7 and 3/4. How you will compare which one is smaller and which one is greater? You can just have in your mind that what is the decimal part of this. So decimal part is almost 0.7, 7 sevens are 49, and here it is 4 8s are 4, 7s are 28, and 4 5s are, and is here 1 0. So 1 0 to 1. So this will be smaller. So 5/7, I will be taking the numbers between 5/7 and 3/4. So you will compare two numbers like this only. If you don't know how to compare by seeing just which number is smaller, so what you will do is you just have the decimal part, and decimal part can be done by the orally also. So you can do that, right? So here 5/7 is smaller, 3/4. I have to find 2, 3, 5, 10, whatever numbers I have to find. First I will take two numbers between. So what should I do is, first I will equate their denominators. So for equating denominators, what I will do? LCM. 7 and 4. Prime numbers, co-prime numbers. So 28. So I will make it like 5/7 into 4 into 4. The same step, 5 4s are 20, and here it is 28. And for this 3/4, how much I should multiply? 7, 21, 28. You see, 5/7 is smaller, 20/28 and 21/2, because of my multiplication. Okay, so 20/28, the equivalent numbers become 20/28, 21/28. Now here question arises, how many numbers you have to insert. Say if I have to one number also, so what is the normal procedure? Denominator is same and I will change the numerators, but here numerators are just simultaneous numbers are there, 20 and 21. So I cannot find any numbers. I cannot find 20 point something. I cannot write in decimal because I have to write in decimal. I have to write in rational number. I don't have to write in this, what you can say, decimal part. So 20.5 I cannot write. So what I will do is I will multiply both this term and this term with same number in numerator and denominator both. How come? 20/28 into say 10. If I have to find out numbers less than 10, so the best part is you can take 10. If it is more than 10, take 20. More than 20, take 30. More than 30, take 40. It is up to you. So it is 200 by 280 and 210 by 280. Now I can easily find numbers. Which number? 201, 202. So some students have this fault, like they will write just 201. No, student, not 201 only, you have to write 201 by 280, 202 by 280, 203 by 280. If the question is 2 numbers, just write 2. If the question is 3, write 3. If the question is 204, and so on. How many numbers you have to find, you can write. Okay. Another issue, I take the another number. It is, say my number is -1 and -2. Because it is a rational number, I am taking the negative number. So the first step, denominator should be same. What is denominator? Denominator is 1 only. So my denominators are same. So I no need to do anything for this. Now what I will do is, I will multiply both the terms by same number. Say I am multiplying by 5. This multiplication choice number is yours. The choice is yours for multiplication. You can multiply by any number. -5, -2. But the chosen number should be like that कि you will get the desired number of elements between the given numbers. So this will become -5 by 5, and here it is -2 by 5. Sorry, -10 by 5. So what are the numbers between -5 and -10? It is -6 by 5, -7 by 5, -8 by 5, -9 by 5, -10 by 5. No 10 by 5, because 10 by 5 is the same number, right? I will take another example and then explain it. So what about -1 and 0? Here only I can. Another question, -1 and 0. And say I have to find out 12 numbers. Not 9, less than this, 12 numbers. So what I will do is, I will take a bigger number from 12. I will multiply both the terms by 15. You can multiply by 16 also, 13 also, 14 also, 20 also, 50 also. But for me, I will take either the multiple of 5 or the multiple of 10. So it is -1. I can write it as 15 and 15. Okay. And what about here? This can be written as also 15 and 15. So this is -15 by 15. And here it is 0 by 15. For my sake, I can write like this. So in between -15 and 0, I can find 12 numbers. How come? -14 by 15, -13 by 15, -12 by 15, -11 by 15, -10 by 15, -9 by 15, -8 by 15. Understood? So one of the student has asked me this question ki how can find out the 10 rational numbers. So I think her doubt is clear, right? So this is how you will be finding the numbers between the two given number. Either it is positive or negative. Right, students? So now come to the exercises. I will be discussing each and every question of this exercise. First we can go for exercise 4a. I have not discussed exercise 4a questions also, I suppose. Come to exercise 4a. What are rational numbers? Give example of a 5 positive and 5 rational numbers. Is there any rational number which is neither positive nor negative? Name it. What is rational number? A rational number is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. Q should not be equal to 0. If denominator is equal to 0, your number is not defined. And what about positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers? I also let you know. Positive rational numbers whose numerator and denominator both are either positive or both are negative. So that is a positive rational number. If either of them is negative, numerator and denominator, either of them is negative, then it is a negative rational number. And the next question, any number which is neither positive nor negative? Yes, there is one number. 0 is a number which is neither positive nor negative. And which of the following are rational numbers? Question number 2 say, which of the following are rational numbers? 5 by minus 8, yes, it is a rational number. Minus 6 by 11, yes, it is a rational number. 7 by 15, yes. Minus 8 by minus 12, yes. 6 is a rational number. Minus 3 is a rational number. Why minus 6 and 3 is a rational number? We can write down 6 by 1, 3 by 1. 7, 0. 0 also can be written as 0 by 1. So this is the rational number. P by Q form. Q is not equal to 0. Denominator should not be equal to 0. Here numerator is 0. Numerator can be equal to 0. Denominator should not be equal to 0. 1 by 0, the last 9th part is not a rational number because denominator is your 0. Now, write down the numerator and denominator of each of the following rational numbers. 8 by 19, numerator 8, denominator 19. Numerator 5, denominator minus 8. Minus 13 by 15, numerator minus 13, denominator 15. Numerator minus 8, denominator minus 11. Fifth part, numerator 9 and denominator 1. Here I would like to explain this thing. If somebody likes a question like this, 7. I'm asking you what is the numerator and what is the denominator. So numerator is equal to 7 and denominator is equal to 1 because this is a hidden denominator over here. For every number, that hidden denominator is divided by 1. Okay? अच्छा, इसके बाद write each of the following integers as a rational number. Write the numerator and the denominator in each case. The same thing I am explaining you. The first question is 5. So 5 by 1. Minus 3. Minus 3 by 1. So numerator is equal to 5. Denominator is equal to 1. Numerator is equal to minus 3. Denominator is equal to 1. 0. Numerator is equal to 0. Denominator is equal to 1. This is important. Okay. Write down the numerator, each of the following as a rational number. Write the numerator. This has done. Question number 5. Which of the following are positive rational number? Now, for this question also, this is also an important question. Which of the following are rational numbers? How you will do positive rational numbers. So first you have to convert the number into standard form. Say my number is written minus 3 by 5. So if denominator is positive, this is in a standard form. So you can easily say this is minus, so this is a negative rational number. Okay, but when it is 3 by minus 5, because denominator is here, the first you convert it into this standard form. How you will convert? Minus 1. This will be easy for you. Minus 3 by 5. Negative rational number. What about minus 3 by minus 5? I will multiply both by minus 1. So this will become 3 by 5. Now it becomes positive. So this is a positive rational number. Okay. What about 3 by 5? This is obviously positive number, no need to change. So positive rational number. Okay. What about 0? 0 is not a negative, right? You don't need to write anything about that. If it is asking 0 comes, like the question is asking 0. Is 0 is negative rational number? No. Is 0 is positive rational number? No. In both the cases it will come as no. 0 is neither negative rational number, 0 is neither positive rational number. Okay? Now the next question is find the rational number equivalent to each of the following. 4 rational numbers you will be multiplying by my 1, 2. Like for example 6 by 11 is there. 6 by 11. I will multiplying by 2. So I will be getting 6 2s are 12, 22. 6 into 3, 11 into 3. And so on. Question number 8 also you can do. 9th, express 5 by 8 as rational number with numerator 15 and 10. So 5 by 8 as a rational number with numerator 15. Answer. Okay. So that's it for today. So you can do like this till question number 16. I think most of the student has done, but some students have doubt. That's why I have clear 1 to 1 each questions. Right, students? Goodbye for the time.